You can explore more of your favourite CBeebies shows on BBC iPlayer.
Oh, Justin, look! I look just like Mr. Tumble!
You look fantastic, Dodge, but
Yeah.
you're missing one thing,
Oh.
and that is Mr. Tumble's Spotty Bag.
Oh, could you make one for me?
Of course! We've got one right here. Now, to make a bag just like that, first of all, you'll need a little bit of paper. I'm using some yellow paper, of course, because of the yellow spotty bag. And then we're going to draw some lovely spots on it.
Wow,
like
they're
that.
wonderful.
They're good, aren't they? And you can use any colours you like. There we are. Now, we need a handle. So over here, can you see we're using another bit of paper?
Yeah.
I've drawn a little rainbow shape, and I've very carefully cut out the handle.
But now what are you going to do?
Well, we need to glue it down, don't we? So we're going to glue it on the back of the paper. And finally, you have your very own Mr. Tumble Spotty Bag.
Thanks, Justin. Now I look just like Mr. Tumble. Yeah.
Do you love CBeebies? Well, you can learn, sing and explore with all your favourite CBeebies friends like Number Blocks, Mr. Tumble, Bluey, Jojo and Gran Gran and so much more. Why not ask your grown-up to download the BBC iPlayer app where you can watch all your favourite CBeebies friends anytime, anywhere you like.